I've been on a journey to find the best shampoo and conditioner for my hair, especially for my fellow black hair community. After testing a bunch of products, I've narrowed it down to 5 that truly stand out. Let me save you the hassle of trial and error so you can find the perfect match for your beautiful curls or waves.
Product number 1. Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal Set. Using the Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal Shampoo and Conditioner was like a refreshing dive into a pool of hydration. The first time I lathered the shampoo in my hair, I was struck by how creamy and luxurious it felt. My hair has always been prone to dryness, but this shampoo was packed with Pro-V nutrients that made my strands feel nourished right away. After rinsing, the conditioner was the true hero. It melted into my hair, making detangling effortless. I could feel the difference immediately. My hair felt softer, more manageable, and had this gorgeous shine that I hadn't seen in a while. The scent? A delightful mix of wild berries and vanilla that lingered just enough to be intoxicating but not overwhelming. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this duo is paraben-free, which is a huge win for anyone concerned about harsh chemicals. The long-lasting hydration claim is absolutely true. I found that my hair felt moisturized for days after use. However, if you're someone who prefers lighter products, you might find this duo a bit heavy on fine hair. It's designed to deliver deep moisture, which might be too much for some. So, why should you buy it? If you're looking for an affordable yet effective shampoo and conditioner set that can handle dry, color-treated, or even curly hair, this is it. It's like getting salon-quality care at home without breaking the bank. Plus, it's versatile enough for all hair types and leaves you with that fresh, vibrant scent you can't resist.
Product number 2. Tresemme Rich Moisture Set. When I first tried Tresemme Rich Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner, I was on the lookout for something that could really tackle my dry hair. The first wash was impressive. The shampoo lathered beautifully, and I could feel the moisture penetrating my hair with each rinse. Enriched with vitamin E and biotin, I noticed my hair felt softer and less frizzy after just one use. The conditioner was thick and creamy, which I love because it feels like it's really working to restore my hair. My daily styling routine became easier as my hair was less tangled and more manageable. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, this duo is free from parabens and mineral oil, which is great for anyone looking to keep things clean and cruelty-free. It also provides heat protection, which is a must when styling. However, some people may find the scent a bit strong if they're sensitive to fragrances, and while it worked wonders for my dry hair, those with oily hair might find it a bit too moisturizing. Why should you consider this set? If you want to nourish your dry hair while also protecting it from the heat of styling tools, this combo is a solid choice. It's budget-friendly and delivers professional-grade results right at home. Plus, once you incorporate this into your routine, you'll notice how effortlessly your hair can be styled and how healthy it looks.
Product number 3. OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Set. I recently got my hands on the OGX Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo and Conditioner, and let me tell you, it was a game changer for my dry, damaged hair. As I massaged the shampoo into my scalp, I could feel the nourishing properties of the argan oil kicking in. This formula is sulfate-free, which is a deal maker for me. I've noticed how much gentler my hair feels without those harsh chemicals. After rinsing, the conditioner left my hair incredibly soft and easy to comb through, significantly reducing breakage. The shine it delivered was impressive. I felt like I stepped out of a salon. Looking at the pros and cons, the obvious pros are the deep hydration and strength it provides for damaged hair. I could see and feel the difference almost immediately. The infusion of argan oil makes this a powerhouse product. On the downside, some might find that it takes a bit longer to rinse out compared to other brands, which could be a hassle in a hurry. So why buy this set? If your hair is in need of serious repair from damage or dryness, the OGX Renewing Set is a worthy investment. It not only revitalizes your hair, but also protects it with every wash. Plus, it fits perfectly into a clean beauty routine, free of sulfates and other nasties, making it ideal for anyone looking to enhance their natural beauty.
Product number 4. OGX Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Set. I was excited to try the OGX Thick and Full plus Biotin and Collagen Shampoo and Conditioner Set, especially since my hair has been feeling a bit lifeless lately. From the first wash, I was impressed by how well it lathered. The biotin and collagen formula really gave my hair a boost, making it feel thicker and more voluminous. The conditioner worked wonders, detangling my strands and leaving my hair feeling soft without weighing it down. I noticed my hair looked more vibrant and full-bodied, which completely shifted my styling game. There are quite a few pros to this duo. The volumizing effect is real. My hair felt much fuller after just a couple of uses. It's also sulfate-free, which is vital for those with color-treated hair. However, if you have very thick or coarse hair, you might find this product a little too lightweight for your needs. Why should you buy this? If you're seeking that extra volume and thickness without compromising on hair health, this OGX set is a fantastic option. It's budget-friendly and genuinely delivers on its promises, making it perfect for anyone looking to elevate their hair game.
Product number 5. Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. The Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo has become a staple in my hair care routine. Right off the bat, the creamy lather felt luxurious, and I could see how well it cleansed without stripping away natural oils. The black castor oil is known for its nourishing properties, and I could feel my hair drinking it in. After using it, my hair felt stronger and more resilient, and I noticed less breakage. The rich lavender scent is soothing and adds a lovely touch to the washing experience. Pros? Absolutely. This shampoo is formulated to prevent breakage significantly, and it works wonders for both natural and chemically treated hair. The absence of silicones, sulfates, and parabens is a major plus. On the flip side, if you're not a fan of thicker products, you might find the consistency a bit too rich for your liking. Why should you buy it? If your hair is damaged or prone to breakage, this shampoo could be your new best friend. It not only cleanses, but also strengthens and restores your hair, making it healthier over time. Plus, knowing you're using a product made with fair trade ingredients adds to the feel-good factor.
In conclusion, these 5 shampoos and conditioners truly cater to the diverse needs of black hair. Each product offers unique benefits, from hydration to strengthening and volumizing. They've been tried and tested, and I can confidently recommend them. Choose the one that resonates with your hair needs and watch your hair transform.